so active. Look at the view. I don't think you can see the beautiful mountain behind it. The small road for what is this?
Bicycle.
Bicycle.
One bicycle and one walk.
Nice. And look at those. Oh.
Look at this Egyptian buildings.
Palace Park. Today they have this color festival today. Color, yeah. It's amazing. Look at that.
I want to walk like this next to edge. Can we do it in the morning tomorrow?
What we are doing? We are here, beautiful place, and we are going to Konyaaltı every day. Duden Park.
Oh, that's the start of it.
Careful the dog. No, stop.
In this, wow, taking this. Wow. This is taking every bit, the whole building. Just to know.
We didn't discover this yet. We are going to that all the time.
Look at this.
Anything that we can afford here.
Maybe.
Open the window. The dog might jump inside the car. Alright, let's go. We are now in Duden Waterfall, and look at that. We are going to see the waterfall in Lara beach. Where is the waterfall? I think over there. Come to Antalya, guys. The river which ends on the ocean. Okay, let's see how it goes.
Yeah.
So we still can't see, so we're gonna walk from this path or the other path. Here, I would like to go from here. Subhanallah, oh my god. Look at that. It's really beautiful. Look at the surroundings. What happened to the dogs? Baba. Stop. dayangan. There is some sausage and we thought this is crab, but this is sausage and so many pickles. I don't eat pickles. I have to choose. I will choose this chuter balik. Chuter balik is the crunchy fish. Anybody wants to come to Antalya? I'm gonna take you around. Oh my goodness, Faris, be careful. Awas, be careful. Be careful, people. Handsome people are crossing the street. Be careful. Kenapa?
Bakın lahana sarması, yaprak sarması, kuru biber, kuru patlıcan, mercimek köftesi. Hı-hı. Evet. Böreğimiz var, ıspanak peynirli var, elmalımız var. Bunlar böyle 2 lira, böyle 5 lira.
Wow, the cakes, baba.
This patera with za'atar.
Why we didn't go here first?
Ay, sağ ol, tamam canım. Çok teşekkür ederim. Yüreği güzel kadına. İnşallah.
How much is this?
İnşallah olacak.
How much?
50 TL. 15 dolar. 12 dolar.
Oniki?
Arıyorum,
$20 or lira?
10 lira değil.
Lira.
Lira 50 lira. 50. 50 lira.
Turkish lira.
It's a stone. Silver?
Gümüş.
Silver.
Evet, silver.
I want to try this cake really. The cake that I tried is really nice. So funny. Merengue or something.
Maybe this.
Very light.
Amazing.
Should I swim? Should I swim? It's cold and a bit dirty in this beach, public beach. But Konyaaltı is very clean.